Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about the software interface. We have multiple interfaces right here. This interface is for editing colors. This one is for the effects. This one is for the audio files. And this one is for the graphics. So we have here many interfaces, but the main one is the one for editing videos. And you can edit any interface you choose as well. For example, you can edit this space like this. Same thing in here. You can edit the timeline space, the files, windows, etc. And you can relocate the windows like this. You can put any window wherever you want. You can reset the interface to its original look. From here, you click here, then reset to save layout. And here we are. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.